How to start a chat on Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can start it up. First of all, open the application. So this interface will pop up. So I'm in my home page. Here on the top, you can see this dollar icon. Simply tap on dollar. So this is the place where you can start a new conversation or a new chat. So this is the dollar AI. Here, simply tap on this message box. Here you can simply start chatting and ask different questions. So here simply ask a question, and after doing this you can easily have conversations and get the answer or have any queries. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.